South Africa will be transferred to a country of all South Africans.
U-Oliver Reginald Tambo wazalwa ngalo lolu suku lwanamhlanje ngonyaka ka-1917, kanti waba umengameli we-ANC kusuka ngo-1968 kuya ku-1991, nokwamenza waba ngumengameli weqembu owahola isikhathi eside ngenxa yokudingiswa kwabanye abaholi beqembu kuleli. Imeya yaseGruleni ithi abaholi bakulelizwe kumele bebukele kuleli qhawe lomzabalazo.
We must continue to reflect on the legacy, on the life and the living legacy of O.R. Tambo in all that we do, Honorable Premier, because O.R. Tambo was a man whose life reflected the very essence of a disciplined, ethical and visionary leadership.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe iGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi wethembise ukuthi njengesifundazwe bazogcina umlando kaTambo.
We are at the grave of a warrior. We're not at the grave of a sellout. We are at the grave of a hero. We are not at the grave of somebody who have betrayed our cause. We come here and say to Oliver Reginald Tambo and Mama Adelaide Tambo, betrayal is not an option. We'll continue with the struggle for the emancipation of our people.
Ilungu le-ANC ePhalamende uMondli Gungubele lithe kumele ukhongolose uzinuke amakhwapha ikakhulukazi ngemphumela yokhetho.
When people don't vote for us, they are not making any mistake. They are expressing their view about us. It can't be that they align to us. It's us who must align with them.
Njalo ngonyaka ukhongolose uyake ubambe inkonzo yokukhumbula leli qhawe lomzabalazo, kanti namhlanje ntambama kulindeleke ukuthi iphini likaMengameli wakulelizwe uPaul Mashatile lethule inkulumo yesifundo ngaye.